Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to open Task Manager in Windows 11. Like, we are going to check three ways. So before that I will show you how it works. Easy to open in Windows 10. So let's go to my PC. So we are at my Windows 10 PC, and you can see if I click anywhere on taskbar there is Task Manager option. Even if I right click in search box, there is Task Manager, and also add Windows button, you can see here. So let's go to the Windows 11 and check it. So we are back at my laptop which has Windows 11. So sorry for the background noise. So let's talk to the point. So there are mainly three ways. First, like, you can search Task Manager. Like, we want fast display. So there is another way, like, you can see, like, there is no option to for the Task Manager here, but there is option. You can right click here and there is Task Manager. So this one is the option, and if you want more fast option, then as everyone know, we can open Task Manager and pin to taskbar. So this one I place for most time. So like, you can click here and this is the Task Manager. Thank you. Drop comments if you want anything in next video about Windows 11 or any other things. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.